Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. So we'll demonstrate on 2012 for F-150 here, but even if you have a different year, that generation video will be helpful as well. You will have two fuse boxes, guys, but first let me tell you, if you check that relay, it's fine. Check the fuses for tail lights, park lights on F-150. We have the complete video on our channel, Free Car Repair, check it out. You will need to, guys, open the fuse box that's located in the engine bay under the hood. That's right above the radiator there, above the radiator fan. That's the cover for the fuse box. Once you open it, you're going to see your fuses and relays facing that way. You will be on this side, that will be towards the windshield side. Let's first explain why it's important to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. The relay, guys, that you will need to check now. As you can see, those are Ford Motor Company relays. Those could be really hard to find, or they could be really pricey if you're driving through small towns, guys, or if you need them in the middle of nowhere. So we'll recommend get some of those. You have only 2-3 different kinds. Put some spares in your glove box. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them from at a good price and quick shipping. The relay for the trailer parking lights, tail lights will be starting on this side in that row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That relay right here will need to be checked specifically, guys. Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.